Did you know that ketchup was once marketed as a medicine? Did you know that the first traffic light was manually operated and used gas lamps? Did you know that the longest word in the English language has how many letters? Start with fact number 01. World's smallest bird. Bee hummingbird, Elasuga helenae, is the smallest bird in the world, weighing just 1.8 grams, about the weight of a penny. It's native to Cuba and feeds on nectar from flowers. This tiny bird is only about the size of a bee. It has iridescent green and blue feathers. Beats its wings up to 80 times per second, allowing it to hover in midair while feeding. Bee hummingbird is an important pollinator of flowers in Cuba. Fact number 2. Ants population versus human population. Population of the Earth is about 8 billion people. There are an estimated 10 quintillion, 10,000 fives and chaves and queen ants alive at any given time. It's about 1.2 million ants for every human. If all the ants on Earth weighed the same as a human, they would weigh more than the entire moon. If you stacked all the ants on Earth on top of each other, it would reach a height of over 250 million miles, or about 100 times the distance to the sun. The number of ants on Earth is about 10,000 times the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Despite their small size, ants are incredibly powerful creatures. They can lift objects many times their own weight. They are surprisingly strong for their size. Ants also have a complex social structure and are able to communicate with each other using pheromones. Fact number 03. English longest word. 1. Pneumano ultra microscopic, silicovolcanoconiosis, 45 letters. This behemoth refers to a lung disease caused by inhaling silica dust, particularly from volcanic ash. While it appears in some dictionaries, primary purpose seems to be its impressive length and is rarely used in serious context. 2. Thionyl threonyl threonyl glutaminylar genyl solucine, 189,019 letters. This isn't exactly a word you'd encounter in everyday conversation, but it holds the record for the longest single word. It's the chemical name for a protein called chitin, and its absurd length comes from listing the names of all its amino acids. So, depending on your definition, the longest word in English has either 45 or 189,899 letters. Which one do you think deserves the crown? Tell me comment section. Fact number 4. World first traffic light. First traffic light, invented in 1868, was indeed a far cry from the sophisticated automated systems we see today. It was a manually operated contraption designed by J.P. Knight, a railway engineer, and installed outside the Houses of Parliament in London. Facts number 5. Ketchup use as a medicine. Back then, ketchup wasn't made with just tomatoes. It was a more general term for a sauce or concoction, often based on fish or mushrooms. But in 1834, American physician Dr. John Cook Bennett entered the scene. He championed the tomato as a cure-all, attributing it with healing properties for ailments like diarrhea, indigestion, and even jaundice. Ketchup cure. Dr. Bennett went a step further and started marketing his own tomato-based ketchup. Click here to know who created Tom and Jerry. We will meet in this video. Bye.